I'd like for everyone to come out to my comedy special. I'll be in multiple cities, flipping houses, and doing comedy.
So the other piece, what we got to come up with too, is the color scheme. I want to do the little shutters on here. You know what I'm saying? I think that's going to look really good with the new windows.
On the big window?
Right. But we need to come up with a color scheme. Now you do have a line you could two-tone from the line base that do a bottom color. You see your brick that changes at the bottom?
Yeah.
You could go with a color there and then pop some up to the top and have it like that.
I think it'll look weird if you just do color. Like you would have to do a different texture, like a different.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, nah.
The brick or
yeah, we
something.
don't want to do that thing.
Yeah.
So the main thing first then, we got to come up with an exterior color scheme.
You don't want to do my blue?
Go for it. Can I see the looking shutters?
Yeah.
All right, go for it. You better stand on that blue. You better stand on that blue.
I always stand on my colors. I don't know.
You better stand on that blue. You
I'm
better stand on business. You better stand on business. I don't know about that blue.
What you gonna do if you don't like it?
I ain't finna pay for it again. You gonna have some blue apartment.
Exactly.
Shoot, you ain't getting we ain't running it back. So you better get you some paint swabs out here.
We can do the trim. The different brick. The brick can be like a cream or white. Soldier brick. Don't play with me, boy. Don't play with me. This is called.
Never let somebody learn a new term.
This is called soldiering.
Is it?
I don't know.
You said she's so funny. Anyway, I get it. That would be nice to pop color the front.
This would be a trim color.
That's nice.
Like a cream.
And then do your new window.
Blue, cream, cedar, colored shutters.
Okay. Go for it. Now here, would you want to stick with metal?
Yeah.
Or you want to change them out, just do metal? You don't think the wood like we got on the back porch of Georgia will look good?
No. I mean, I think it'll look fine. I just think the metal will look better.
We're gonna do a modern one, more like inside of the other, like the house over in Hoover.
I don't like those.
That railing?
Yeah.
You don't like that? Well, this ain't gonna make it right here for me.
Can we just not do something plain like that?
Uh-uh.
I mean, not without the curly cues.
Okay, like, come on.
That doesn't have that. You see?
Which one?
This. It doesn't have the little curly thing.
Yeah, I get it. That ain't cute.
I don't like that modern looking one.
So that would be the homework. Color scheme, curly cues, whatever you're doing is metal.
Really. I'll get a swatch of that blue.
That'll get us rocking and rolling. So here is 6, let's go on B. So definitely, do you want to try to keep these doors? These got to come off.
We can keep the doors.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. These got to come off. But like this unit, this B, right? So this one ain't far away. See what I'm saying? So like in here, this ain't, I need to check the power. The power is on. I need to check that too. But like in this one, for an example, the kitchen cabinets can be replaced. Paint, fix any sloping floors, rotten wood, anything under here. Let's go ahead and fix that first, because that way, once we start fixing stuff, you ain't got to go back in later and tear the floor out after you just put down tile. You know what I'm saying? So you got a notepad? You got a notebook? No. Okay, so what I would do, get something for writing so we can write down the number of which ones. Like this, we may be, I don't know, so we can write how many, like, no problemo him.
No, this.
Okay. So this is a go now. This is what I'm gonna call, this is a go. Are you making the notes of me?
I'm making them too, because you
so this a go unit. This is what I'm gonna call a go unit. And then, so make sure you note then, because I'm making them too, but in this one, it's not a lot of bathroom work. This is a light reno, what I'm gonna call light reno bath. So I know.
It stinks, and I don't wanna go in. I'm gonna stand right
here. Okay. This one ain't bad. It's bad, it smells bad, but it's not bad. They already had done some changing out the light fixtures in here, switches. You can see, but not saying, we'll still change it to our own. But I can see they tried to change out the lights. You see what I'm saying? This ain't bad. Carpet, do the same thing. We're good to go.
Bath.
And this is a good thing that I was saying.
Did you open the cabinet?
But this is what I was gonna show you. Are you gonna set me up? You want me to
I'm
open
not
the
gonna
cabinet?
do it. I was waiting on Jesus, but
You want me to open?
Yeah, babe. We need to see if they salvage
Oh,
one.
Lord, gee. Y'all move out the way if I gotta run.
Oh.
I'm joking. They good.
They good?
They salvage.
Well, let's just paint them.
No, that's right.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
But look here. Can I keep this floor?
No.
Girl. What do we wait? What?
I mean, you can clean it and see what it look like, but as of right now, no.
Yeah, I'm saying clean it and see what it look like. I think it'll be all right.
What is it, vinyl?
That's nice.
It's not nice.
Paint the tub. So this one ready to go.
It's a real hardwood floor.
Absolutely. But that's the thing. I called old boy. I need to get an estimate what it would charge to re-sand them and stain them. I just probably need to get them out here. But what it didn't save is carpet. Carpet's still cheaper than this.
Oh, well,
That's what I'm saying. Period. Point blank.
then.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So I guess the only other thing we need to make a decision on really quickly, are we gonna do in the bathrooms, in the bathrooms for the showers, are we gonna do the plastic or the tile? What you think?
Or what?
I think the tile is best for chemicals, but with plastic, you're gonna be what's it called from rentals. It's a problem that needs to be fixed. If you want tile,
Okay. Okay, so then if we're gonna do that, then let's go ahead and make sure for demo, that's on demo. So go ahead and take all the plastic off and open it up. So like if we need to go ahead and get the plumber while we fixing under the house, the plumber can be fixing the pipes. So make sure for demo, can we start demo Monday?
yeah.
And when we finish?
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
For the lower?
So we're gonna demo everything. Every unit get demo. You see?
Okay, the other question, where is gonna be for the trash?
You gonna order the dumpster.
Okay, so I can start Monday because
Order the dumpster
I'm
today.
in Austin today, and if this will bring Monday,
Call somebody else. Get a dumpster here.
Okay.
If they don't have it, call somebody else. We starting Monday.
okay.
No problem. So let's start. We gotta go. So Monday we're gonna do the demo. I'm gonna email you so you can see what's under here. We finish here?
Yeah.
It's some pieces of wood, and we'll come back later. Don't worry, and fix the exterior when we come back. This is one of those situations again where we had to come back and measure again. The original budget we got, we wasn't happy with, and so also we could have been doing some things to over improve the property. You never want to do that because, again, certain things you do to an apartment, it still may not increase the value of rent. And that's the whole objective here. It's called value add. You know, always want to make sure that you're over rehabbing the property and you end up spending more money because that affects your cash flow in the sense of your rate of return, not really your cash flow, but your actual rate of return because you actually put $12,000, $15,000 more in the project than you should have. So that's what we're going through on this one today. At first I was gonna make the decision not to do new windows, but I just think like the exterior will look a lot better with windows. I really think that.
Did you measure them?
Nah, well, because they were gonna be on the back end. So we just got through with that and also putting our scheduling together now. So the official kickoff date will be on Monday. And so that will be our kickoff always with demo. Always with your demo, make sure that you go in 3 to 4 times and make sure they don't tear out stuff you want. Because they will do it.
Why are you looking at me? I've only done that one time.
Oh my God.